And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this Baby's Electric Manicure Set. The front of the box, nothing but the baby nail trimmer electric on the side, picture on this side, and a little bit about each light on the back. So let's open this up, see what comes inside of it. So you get a nice little set of tweezers, nice, plastic, and then all the fun stuff. That's it for the box. So little, wow, that's like a nail file, I think. I believe this is a nail file, some little scissors. Look at how tiny those are. Never seen that before. Wow. And then some little clippers. They've got it all like protected more. Nice. And then here is everything else. So, wow, you have all these different little attachments here. Very nice. Each one feels different, very unique. You do have a little instruction paper here as well. And this is the actual manicure tool. It does need 2 AA batteries, which do not come included. And this would, of course, just pop right into there. And then you got a little light there when you turn it on. And it spins and has your manicure set. So that's everything that would come inside of this Baby's Electric Manicure Set. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what you get. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.